Hello, students. I wanted to go over what you need to do the day of your midterm. Now, remember, your midterm will be this coming Monday and Tuesday, September 21st and September 22nd. So let's go through what you need to do in order to do the midterm. The first thing you're supposed to do is to get on JetNet. Then you are to scroll down because your midterm will be taken in week 4. You're to scroll down to week 4. And then what you're supposed to click on first is the classroom for the midterm. Now, this is where you will go to the Zoom session. So you will click on here, and it will take you to the Zoom session. Now, once you get into your Zoom session, because we've all went over the Zoom session before, so you know how to get into the Zoom session. But just to let you see here, you will join with computer audio. And then after you join with computer audio, you will also start your video camera. And once you start your video camera, then I will be able to see you on the screen. Okay, now, once you're done getting into Zoom, you're to come back here because Zoom will open up in a separate tab. So you're to come back here to your JetNet page, and then you are to click on Midterm Unit 1 and 2, Unit 1 and 2, Part 1 of 2. That'll be for Monday. Then you will sign into Alex like you normally do. And then what should happen when you sign into Alex, you should come to this screen here that tells you that your midterm unit 1 and 2, part 1 of 2 is due. Now it has the due date as October 21st, but it's going to be changed to September 21st. So don't worry about that. So you will click here and then you will get started. You will click on getting started. And again, this is how you will go about the process. First, you will sign into Zoom. And then you will go here to you will go to Alex and then get into your midterm and you will click get started. Now, it'll say password required. Now, this is the reason why you need to get on Zoom first, because in the chat of Zoom, I am going to give you the password. Now, those of you that show up late or do not show up for the midterm, you will not have the password, so you will not be able to take the exam. Now, the exam is only open for up until noon. The exam opens up at 10:55 a.m. and it will close at noon. So whatever time you get there between 10:55 and noon, that is how much time you will have to take the exam. There will be no extension. So if you show up at 11:45, you only get 15 minutes for the exam. So I'm just letting you all know. Now, this is the 21st. Now, on the 22nd, you will follow the same procedure, and then you will click on Midterm Unit 1 and 2, Part 2 of 2, and then you will go to the same screen on Alex, and then you would complete it between 10:55 to noon on Tuesday as well. Remember, this midterm is broken up into 2 parts. And then also one other thing, you are allowed 2 pages of notes. That's 2 pages front and back of notes that you can use. Now on the day of the test, the only thing that you can have, because when you have on your webcam, I am going to be looking at your surrounding area. You will have to show me your surrounding area. Now, the only thing you're allowed is something to write with, a calculator, be it a standalone calculator or Desmos, either one, and you can have scratch paper, and then you can have your notes, and that is all you are allowed to have. Now, if you have any other questions, please contact me via email, and you have a wonderful day.